To change screen lock password on iPhone 17 Pro Max, you have to open the settings and now just go below into the Face ID and passcode settings. Now you have to click here and input your current one. There we go. Now you have to scroll down and go for change passcode. So enter the current one, and now as you can see, we can input the new one. But for the next 72 hours, we can use our previous passcode to reset our new password if we forget it. That's pretty useful. And by clicking here, we can even change its type. So we can get 4-digit, 6, custom numeric code, or for example, custom alpha numeric code. In my case, I will just get this simple one from 1 to 6. It's too easy, but I'm gonna select to use anyway. And we have to confirm with the same password. And now, as you can see, after a few seconds, the process will be finished. There we go. And that's how it actually works.